Okay, we are starting to see an osprey taking shade. Always so cool to see him getting blocked out. I don't know how he sees these sculptures within giant logs, but I guess that's part of the challenge. Fine detail work with a chainsaw. Nice. Well, we got one of the saws back from the tech guys. Thanks for their hard work. They discovered a pinhole in a bar oil hose, so the bar wasn't oiling, so they've got the parts and they were able to install it and get that thing started. Back up and running really well, and they've taken a big saw and they're looking at it, see what's wrong with it, see if they can figure it out. I don't know how much this will need that at this point, but you never know, it would be good to have it, and for sure a great opportunity to get the saws back into tip-top shape. They're great. Enjoying his cola.
This is Coke or Pepsi?
Pepsi.
Sponsoring Pepsi if you want. Remember you had 10.
Yeah, there was no choice, but it was just cola. But she got you a straw. Got you a straw.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A plastic one.
Yeah, shush, don't tell anybody. Plastic straw.
I'll use it at least 3 times, or 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Then it won't be a single-use straw.
Yeah, you promise it. Then it's no longer single use. It's 5 minutes to 2. So we're just about halfway through. Just about halfway through. Nice little break. Our friend was saying that the pros are all up there. Our friend was saying the pros are all taking regular breaks, sitting down, drinking water. They go for 4 days, so they know how to pace themselves, that's for sure.